How to install N8N on your Mac or MacBook. Now, first things first, all the process and all the methods that we will be doing is going to be processed all in your terminal from your MacBook. So you must access your terminal first, and you can access or copy and paste this specific command right here, paste it directly to your terminal, and then all the necessary packages from Homebrew installation will be on your screen prompt. So you're just gonna make sure that all these commands right here will be followed each of these so that your package will be completed. So first things first is to install Homebrew using your terminal. Next thing to do is to run other commands right here for you to be able to have the N8N installed on your terminal using your Homebrew. Now you just gotta run the commands to create the N8N database and database user directory from your Homebrew. And that's pretty much it. That's how you install N8N on your Mac or on your MacBook.